For part B of the investigation, we're going to investigate how alpha affects power. So the only thing that you will be changing is alpha, but we first need to set the parameters. So we're going to set the null hypothesis P naught to 0.5, and that stays the same from 0.5 from the first investigation, part A. The alternative hypothesis, P is greater than P sub naught, stays the same, so just make sure that that is correct. And then the sample size we're going to set to 50. Okay, so just slide it to make sure that it is 50. And we're going to change the suspected true population proportion to be 0.6. So that is down here. We change that to be 0.6. And all four of those things will stay the same for part B. None of those things will change. The only thing we will be changing is alpha, which is this slider right here. And in the first column, we see alpha over here is 0.005. So we're going to change alpha for this first part to be 0.005. So we slide it back. There it is. And when alpha is 0.005, we see power over here is about 0.1179, so about 0.12. And we can see that is correct there. So to complete the rest of the table, all you're going to do is change the significance level alpha 0.005. Once you do that, you'll see a pattern in the table, and you write what that pattern is to make your conclusion for how alpha affects power in this little text box right in here on your Google Doc.